Welcome back to Teresa Josephine Kitchen. Today I brought Mughali paratha, veg paratha in Hyderabadi style. All in my description box I am mentioning all the measurements. Please check out, and in I button also I am mentioning aloo paratha which I have done previously. Please check out and subscribe my channel, friends. Like it, share it, comment it. Friends, for aloo mixture we have to take aloo, potato, Grammasala, and turmeric powder. All this onion, ginger, garlic paste, everything we have to mix it. Chili. Then make a wheat flour dump. Then we have to roll it like a chapati. Like a chapati, we have to bale it, roll it. Then we have to keep the stuff inside. Then we have to fold it in 3 sections, then like a triangle. Nicely we have to tap it, friends. The stuff should be mixed slowly, softly we have to do. How much lovely we will be doing, that much beautiful it comes. And always keep your stove sim, medium heat to swallow fry, not a deep fry, friends. 2 spoons of oil is enough. So crunchy it will be. Within the 10 minutes it will be done. Meanwhile, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.